in this class we learned about various important people who are important in our community, in our surrounding. Let us again revise back that we had learned about in this chapter. In this chapter we have studied about what is community, and community are those surrounding or neighboring people, those important people, those who stay in our neighborhood or in our surrounding areas. And we have various different aspects of people who live around us, who become an important part of the society, who help us in our day-to-day activities, day-to-day life aspects, and with their help only we have a better living system in our society, and they bring about a lot of important into us being a human being. Yesterday we learned about the importance of teachers that are around us. Then we studied about doctors, those who are there around us. Then we studied about people like postmen who bring about important changes, like teachers who give us knowledge, who give us understanding, who tell us about what is wrong, what is right into our lives, and they make or give us a better understanding about the living system in the society and how it has to be done, where, in what perspective it has to be done. Doctors are the health keepers who take care of our health when we fall sick. There are various important instruments like thermometers, stethoscope, medicines, and various instruments which they use into their day-to-day activities or day-to-day workings, with which they help us to get our ailments or illness treated. Then we studied about the postmen. Postmen are important people who bring about various activities such as delivering letters, parcels, through which communication system can be possible. Now in this category we are going to learn about the other few important personalities who are there in our community. Now we have policeman, army, and etc. Now we have all heard about, or we all know very well, what does policemen do. They are the important or very important people in the society who see or look into the matters like security system, who sees that the law and order in our society or in our country has been followed. In various ways, we have army also, who sees that the nation, the nation or the country as a whole is secured from any external problems or even the internal problems that they take place. They have an important institution in which they do their workings. Like police stations are there. They have a separate places like police station where policemen they stay or they work, and they perform their duties so that the general or the citizens of this country do not face any kind of problem, and whatever problems or situations, unwanted situation or unlawful situations they come across, they go to these policemen and they get it solved. So they are the law keepers. They make sure that the law and order that is there prevailing in our society is being maintained properly, so that nobody is having any problem or any situation, unwanted situation they face. The next very important people are the farmers. Now these farmers, you can call them as backbone of our society. Why? Because whatever we consume as food particles, food items in our day-to-day life, it is all because of the hard work that the farmers they do. The amount of work, the amount of activities they work or they put into the land, agricultural lands, and they cultivate crops, and that crops are being sent in the market, and that those things only we are able to consume. So farmers play a very important role, which gives us one of the basics need of our life, which is food. Without food, life is not possible. Everyone knows. We all have to have food system in our day-to-day life, and this is all because of the help of the farmers, the hard work of the farmers that they put into. Now, here all, it is not that these are the only people in the community that surrounding us. Learning process or learning things can also be possible through various important people who come into our lives. They impart their own knowledges, they give you their own ideas. Your at home, your brother, your sister, your father, your mother, and the neighboring people also can be a teacher, can be a doctor, can be a policeman or a farmer, who are there surrounding in your areas, living around your areas. So we should be very thankful to all these people who are there in and around our places, who become a very important aspects of our community system, through which we not only learn about things, but we get help from them. And getting help from them benefits us in various different ways into our lives, various different aspects of our life, where when we grow up to be a very uh, with an aim to become someone, we have an inspiration, we have our own idea or aim in our goal in our life. Through this, through the help of these people only, we are able to bring changes into our lives. So these people, they play a very important role in our life, whereas to our life molding or structuring is done in a very proper way. And very important other people are there, various different other important people are there who give this society a very important aspects. Even your neighbors, those who are around you, who are into our lives, who bring about meaningful changes. The requirements, the attachment, the bondings that we have should be a very healthy, or it should be a very good healthy relationship. We should have a very build up a very good healthy relationship with our neighbors, so that the harmonious system in the society is always there, and we are able to communicate with each other in a proper way. So teachers, let's go back and again understand who are the people. Teachers, doctors, postmen, policemen, then we have farmers. There are other various important people who play a very important roles into our lives, and they bring about various important changes into our life. So we are going to learn slowly, gradually, and understand this in a proper way, in a very minute manner, so that it is understood that which are the important people who surround us, which are the important people who are around in our areas, who bring about various important changes into our lives. So teachers who give impart us knowledge, doctors who give medicines, prescribe us medicines, keep ourselves or bring healthfulness or healthy environmental system into our lives. Then we have postmen who help us in communicate with each other for a long distance or a long period of time. Then we have policemen, army, navies, those who protect our society, those who protect our country from any kind of unlawful activities that take place in our society. Then we have very importantly farmers who bring about various important changes in our life. Now, there are other aspects of human being also that who are there in our surrounding areas, like firemen. Firemen are those people who, what they do in unwanted circumstances, if in a place where fire due to accidental situation, fire takes place, and there are a lot of property damage. Fire is a very dangerous thing, and we should be very careful with it whenever we are using it in a particular purpose or for any purpose. Because of unwanted or or because of carelessness certain times, or unwanted situation or unaccidental situation, what happens, fires take place and places start burning. So these firemen who risk their life, who put their life into a very high level of risk, they what they do, they carry water tanks, water cars, and they start going to those places and try to keep off the fire using fire pipes or water pipes. Now they have a vehicle which is known as water tank, water vehicle, or you can call it water tanks. This water vehicle or water tank, what it does, it carries water, a large quantity of water in a vehicle, gallons of water, through which what they do, they put out the fires where accidentally fire has taken place and burning is going on. So these firemen play a very important role in our society also, and the places where they work is known as fire brigade. Fire brigade. So these are some of the important workings of firemen, where they help us to not only protect our lives but to protect our property, important things that there in the belongings where fire takes place. So they take a very high level of risk, and in certain situations it happens that most of the people, the firemen, they lose their lives also saving the other peoples from these unwanted or dangerous situations. So they also play, or they are also one of the vital important part of our society or a community system, where they bring about life-saving methods, or they bring about saving of life, which is one of the important gifts of God. So we'll understand for today. Up to this topic, we'll be continuing with various other important people who play a very important role in our community and do important work for us or help us in various different ways. So this is all for today. Thank you very much and have a